back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we are stuffing my savings challenges from my first paycheck of March. So in total, we should be doing $299, but you know, we have to subtract my 100 envelope challenge because I do that in my cash stuffing videos. So we have $299 minus 48 minus 50. So we should be stuffing $201 today. So we will count the money and see where we are. So we're at 50, 20, 40, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, or 75, 80, 85, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 201. So that is correct, $201. And this is what I pulled for the roll the dice challenge, and this is what I grabbed for my domino challenge. So it's just there so I know for reference. So let's get into it. Oh no, I zoomed that in kind of far, but we will in the puzzle challenge be doing 2 10s. And I also decided that since these are the only ones with like main increments, I'm going to stuff what's there. So if it's $10, I'm going to stuff $10, like a $10 bill. So we're doing 2 10s. So I'm doing 2 10s, which is 20. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90 in there in our puzzle challenge. And we're gonna color that in. You know, ever since I got like COVID, like I'm always sniffling and stuff. Like it's crazy. So self-care will be getting 20. So now we're at 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We finally made it to the big hundo, which is great because I feel like we're so far into 2022 and I've only done 5 weeks, which is weird because I've only got paid 5 times. So my alphabet challenge is getting $5. So now we're at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 in here. Next, so a situation happened. I forgot to kind of budget for my 26-week challenge, but I went on my vacation. I won some money from the casino, so that money I'm just gonna use to stuff the $6. So now we have 1, 2, look at that. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is trash. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in there. I think I'm gonna start going from the bottom. I'm not too sure. So roll the dice is getting, what is it, 18? Because 12 and 6 is 18. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 is what we have going on. So let me erase my markings. Color these in. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. We have $60 saved up so far. So since I am doubling this, I should have, what, over 300? Let me do the calculations real quick on the sidelines. Yep, I should have $310 by the end of this challenge. My sweet savings challenge, I'm doing a 10 and a 1, which is 22. So we have 20, 1, and 2. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71. We have $71 in here so far, which I can't complain about. Something is better than nothing. Okay. So the domino, we're doing 20. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $78 in our domino challenge. Going back to the 52 week, we do 53 as always. 50, 1, 2, 3. So now we have 51, 52, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have, did I say 265? 2, 1, yep, 265. In there. And then my name challenge is getting 18. So I'm just going to shade this in real quick. So we have 10, 5, 1, 2, and 3. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $94 saved up in with just saving my name, which is great. Bingo. Nobody's pulled anything yet. And then scratch off, we're doing 25. So 25. So far we have 20, 40, 5, 55 so far in the scratch off challenge. Now I also do have another 20 from what I won when I went to the casino. So let's figure out where we want to put that. I did sweet savings last time. This one has a 20 in it. That's too far gone for 20. I could do another heart. Oh, I think I'll just do another heart because that's the easiest. I don't want to go out of order. I hate going out of order. So self-care will get this 20. So now it should be at 120. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20. I'm like, I might as well use up these little earnings because I had a decent amount. I think I had 140 something that I won, but then I had to give 130 to my brother because he bought my shoes and I had to pay him back for that. So that's it for my savings challenge stuffing, you guys. I know these videos go pretty quick, but it is what it is. It's only just savings. I think I'm gonna condense this too because these are getting thick. Oh, and I made these envelopes, which I am pretty proud of. I thought it was gonna be harder than what it actually was. The only hard part was like trying to get the vinyl off, but I'm still new at making the stuff. So but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this type of content, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.